This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Chance back here with us today. And as you can see, Chance is a bodybuilder, and he also works very hard, and he's had some lower back problems and shoulder problems and knee pain, as well as some neck pain and stiffness. So we're going to show you how we treat that. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me. And then neutral. Yep. Not bad. Your head's still forward. Take a look. See, your ear's still dropping right here.
Okay.
And your hands are still out in front of you.
Mm-hmm.
That probably has a lot to do with you benching a lot.
Okay. Yep.
Stuff, and maybe not working out your rhomboids as equally in flies, the reverse flies. So you're a little closer over here to the left than you are to the right.
See that?
Okay, so let's go ahead. You'll be our first spring dinger video of the day.
No.
Alrighty. Slide down this way just a little bit more, Chance. A little bit more. There we go. There. You mind if I take your cap so I can knock that off?
My hair's crazy.
There you go.
Forewarned.
Yes, alright. There we go. Okay, let me put your legs up here. I almost forgot to do that. Everybody's going to want to know what kind of tennis shoes you're wearing. What are those?
Nike Air Max 1 Finance.
Nike Air Max 1 what?
Finance.
Finance. Oh yeah. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Yep.
Yes. There we go. There you go. That's it. Good job relaxing. So has he been feeling better most of the time since he started? Left leg's coming up short by about 1/4 of an inch, and it gets longer. I bet you that tightens up right there. So we're going to adjust his left SI joint first, right here. There. Then the sacrum on the left side. That moved good. Sacrum right on the center, and then the right, and then over to the right SI joint. Now move up into his lumbar spine. There's L5, L4, L3, L2, L1. That's it. Okay, just keep breathing. That's it. Yeah, that's a little tight right here. Been working on the computer a lot.
Mm-hmm. This job.
Yeah. Okay. You'll feel me popping your head up just a little bit. C3, 4, C5, 6, and then all the way down C7 to increase the cervical lordosis. Okay, let's turn it back now. Now I'm adjusting his AC joints and his shoulders, his sternoclavicular joints bilaterally, and his costosternal joints bilaterally. There we go, good. Okay, just relax this one in my hand here now. your knee on your back?
Yes.
Good. Okay, let this go. There we go. Good. Okay, let's sit you up, face this way.
Oh.
No, this way.
That's crazy.
Okay. There we go. How many times a week are you lifting?
At least 5 times a week.
Yep. There we go. Good. There we go. Very good. Moving good all over today.
Yep, feeling good.
Yep. All right, Chance, let's have you look in the mirror again. And flex your head forward and backwards for me again. Neutral. Yep, that's a little, your head's still just a little forward, but
Okay.
see how your hands came back a little bit?
Yep.
So this is the main thing that we need to get you to do, is bring your head straight back and then look up like this. Okay, now relax. Try that same thing again. Now this should feel a little smoother.
Okay.
Tell me if it does or not.
Yes.
Yep, right back to neutral. Yep, that looks better. So you walked in here with back pain, neck pain, knee pain. How's it feel right now?
Better, a lot better.
Okay, good. How have you done since, it's only your 4th treatment here. Overall, besides this last week here, how did you do after your adjustments with your lifting?
Yeah, a lot better. I think all my lifts are getting stronger. Mobility is getting better.
Your endurance getting a little better too?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Good. All right, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson at Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all next time.